one and all. The meeting is called to order. May I now request everyone to rise for Tamil Thai Valthu. Thank you all. May I now request Mr. N. Ilango, Chairman, Advocate Welfare Club, MMBA, to offer his welcome address. இந்த இனிய மாலை வேளையிலே MMBA மற்றும் MMBA Advocate Welfare Club இணைந்து நடத்தும் இவ்விழாவிற்கு சிறப்பு விருந்தினராக வருகை புரிந்துள்ள மாண்புமிகு நீதியரசர் திரு அப்துல் குத்தூஸ் அவர்களே மற்றும் பார் கவுன்சில் மெம்பர் மதிப்பிற்குரிய அண்ணன் திரு தாலைமுத்தரசு அவர்களே, MMBA சங்கத்தின் தலைவர் மதிப்புமிகு திரு ஸ்ரீனிவாச ராகவன் அவர்களே மற்றும் வெவ்வேறு கமிட்டிகளின் சேர்மன் மற்றும் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் மற்றும் அனைத்து அரசு மற்றும் முன்னாள் அரசு வழக்கறிஞர்களே மற்றும் இளம் வழக்கறிஞர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக 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 என MMBA சார்பாகவும் MMBA அட்வொகேட் வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப் சார்பாகவும் வரவேற்று அமைகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம். Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. N. Ilango, Chairman, Advocate Welfare Club, MMBA, to offer our Hon'ble Mr. Justice Abdul QUDDHOSE with a memento. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lordship. May I request Mr. S. Srinivasa Raghavan, President, MMBA, to offer Hon'ble Mr. Justice Abdul QUDDHOSE with a shawl. May I request Mr. Airam Selvakumar sir to offer memento to Mr. G. Thalaimutharasu, Member, Bar Council of Tamilnadu and Puducherry. May I request Mr. S. Vinodh, Coordinator, Advocate Welfare Club, MMBA, to adorn Mr. G. Thalaimutharasu with a traditional shawl. Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. S. Srinivasa Raghavan, President, MMBA, to offer the presidential address.
Happy evening to all. Honorable Mr. Justice Abdul QUDDHOSE, the Chief Guest of the day, the Chairman and Coordinators of Advocate Welfare Committee of MMBA, Mr. G. Thalaimutharasu, Member, Bar Council of Tamilnadu and Puducherry, and my beloved friends. I am very happy to be here, and the event today is of two important reasons. First one is, MMBA is very much fond of the members of the bar who are not in a position to pay the live subscription for the Tamil Nadu Bar Council Advocate Welfare Fund. The amount is 11,100, and it may not be a simple amount for all the members of the bar. There are people who are not in a position to make good the payment. So I should wholeheartedly congratulate Mr. Ilango and Mr. Chilamparasan and Mr. Vinodh and the members of the MMBA Advocate Welfare Committee for initiating the scheme of sponsoring the annual contribution to the Tamil Nadu Advocates Welfare Fund. We have collected some amount through donation, and here I want to thank Honorable Mr. Justice A.D. Jagadish Chandra, who has also diverted the cost in some matters to the contribution to this fund, and out of this corpus we are going to pay the subscription for nearly 15 people today. So this is the first occasion we are here to celebrate. The second occasion is, as we all know, we had successfully conducted LexiCon 2023 on the 8th of this month, and we actually thought big, but I never thought it would be so grand and successful, and the credit goes only to you people. And I don't believe in a single man being the head of any institution. It's 100% teamwork. Working together works. That is the formula, I believe. So we have appointed nearly 10 committees. With the chairman of the committee, we had nearly 65 workforce. These 65 people made the symposium a grand and successful one. So actually, on the day of the symposium, in the valedictory function, we were in a position to honor very few of the office bearers of MMBA and the chairman of the committee. But due to shortage of time, because it was already 6 o'clock in the evening on the day, we had deferred the event to honor those members of the committee who worked hard, who toiled to make the successful event. So I call them affectionately as LexiCon warriors. So today is the occasion to honor those members, and because of the penultimate day of the working day of the court, some may not be able to be present today, but we are here only for the secondly for the purpose of honoring those warriors. With this introduction, I take leave and I request all of you to be here, finish the function, enjoy the delicious dinner, and leave. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Abdul QUDDHOSE to deliver the felicitation address and also to hand over the list of beneficiaries of MMBA Advocate Welfare Committee Contribution Fund.
Good evening, all of you. The President and other office bearers of MMBA and the office bearers of MMBA Advocates Welfare Club. A very good evening to all of you once again. In fact, only day before yesterday, Mr. Srinivasa Raghavan came to my chamber and invited me for this function. Normally, I hesitate in accepting invitations, but this being a good cause, I immediately accepted it, despite the last 2 working days. As you all know, it will be very tight for judges because we are also from Chennai. So you have to get back to Chennai, we have to complete the work and get back to Chennai. But being a good cause, I didn't want to say no to it. Immediately accepted it. I appreciate the gesture of Mr. Srinivasa Raghavan and other office bearers for having inviting me for this function. I am very, very happy, proud that such an event is being held. In fact, all of you know that no one, by experience, you would have realized that no one ever become poor by giving. Have you come across any person who has become poor by giving? So that attitude should always be there on every human being. You must think that all others are our brothers and sisters. And when you come across a person who is in difficulty, as far as possible, either by way of sharing knowledge or by way of sharing your financial prosperity with him, little bit you can do. If each of you have that idealistic mind, definitely the entire society will be benefited by it and all of them will be happy. In fact, charity begins at home. As far as advocates are concerned, as far as their professional interest is concerned, their home is either the Bar Association or the Advocate Association or the association which they are members. So if the Bar Association or the Advocate Association do not help them, where do they go to for help? In fact, many persons, they have come up very well in life after some time. Only thing, they don't get the proper opportunity. If they are provided with proper opportunities, certainly they'll come up in life. And at the same time, you will also grow. The person who's helping the needy will also prosper. And therefore, charity begins at home. I am very, very proud that MMBA has taken this effort of helping all the lawyers, needy lawyers, and in their day-to-day needs, and by, not only by helping them financially, but also to encouraging them to come up well in profession. So, once again, I thank Mr. Srinivasa Raghavan personally because I think he was instrumental in starting, along with the other team members, for starting this good function. But when one is in a position of responsibility, you must try to help others. It is no simple as that. So, whenever anybody suffers from injustice in life, what better motivation can one get by helping others who does not suffer from the same? In fact, while I was seeing the invitation, today I heard from Mr. Vinodh that 15 members are going to be benefited by this contribution made towards their life subscription for the welfare fund that is to be given by the Bar Council. It's not a small sum. This 11,100 is not a small sum. It is indeed a huge sum, that too for an advocate who is in his initial years of practice. I am very, very happy. More persons will not only be benefited financially, but they will also be benefited intellectually. There are how many clubs are there here? 7. I believe 7 clubs have been started by MMBA. And one of the said club is MMBA Advocates Welfare Club. There are other clubs as well, including Literary Club, Tamil English Literary Club, Legal Literary, very good. Sports Club, Info Diamond. I don't think such clubs have been started by the Madras Bar Association in Chennai. In fact, it is a wonderful thing to have started such clubs to improve all the bar members. So I'm very thankful to all the members of this club, that is MMBA Advocates Welfare Club, and also the MMBA, for taking enormous effort to help all the budding lawyers who are in financial need as well as intellectual need. Without further ado, I don't want to take much of your time. Thank all of you, all the members on the dais, as well as the entire audience, which includes students as well, students and the recipients of this contribution. I wish you all the best in your life. I'm sure you will come up very well in the life, and once you are honest and you have make sincere efforts, you will certainly come up in life. I wish you all the best once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship. May I request Mr. N. Ilango, Chairman Advocate Welfare Club, to release the list of beneficiaries of the contribution fund.
First name Mr. Arun Kumar, Mr. Ashok Mitra, Mr. Gandhi Viran, Miss Gayatri, Mr. Guru Rajashekar, Miss Kirtana, Mr. Kityan, and Mr. Muhammad Hussain, Omana, Miss Ovia, Mr. Perumal, Mr. K. Radhakrishnan, Miss Ramya, Mrs. Shanmugavil Priya, Mrs. Victoria. The 15 members are now, we are selected for the Advocate Welfare Fund Scheme first spell. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request all the beneficiaries of the Advocate Welfare Fund to come to the dais and to collect their DD from Hon'ble Mr. Justice Abdul Kuddhose. Hon'ble Mr. Justice Abdul Kuddhose to distribute the certificates and mementos to LexiCon warriors.
Registration committee members, Ms. Lavanya. On behalf of Lavanya, senior may be collected. Mr. K. Ranganathan, Mr. R. Muthukumaran, Mr. S.G. Raja Sanmugaya. On behalf of Raja Sanmugaya, Iram sir will collect. Mr. Shailappa Kalyan, Mr. K. Murali, Mr. Nandakumaran, Mr. Ramanujam, Ms. P. Kavita, Mr. K. Praveen, Ms. Mohanabai, Ms. Mohanabai, Mr. K. Praveen, Ms. Vishnu Priya, reception committee members, Mr. N. Mohan, Mr. S. Arun Kumar, stage committee members, Ms. Tamilnadu, Ms. Bharkavi, Ms. P. Kalishwari, Ms. Shalini Priyanka, Ms. P. Vidya, Ms. P. Manon Mani, Ms. G. Uma Maheshwari, Memento committee members, Ms. M. Kritika, Ms. M. Vidya, accommodation committee members, Mr. Kandasamy Pandian, the members of MOC, Mr. M. S. Pathiban, Mr. K. Jayamohan, Ms. B. Deepa, Ms. V. Janaki Devi, Ms. N. Rekha, thank you, Lordship.
May I now request Mr. S. Vinodh, Coordinator, Advocate Welfare Club, MMBA, to propose the vote of thanks.
இந்நிகழ்ச்சியை தொடங்கி வைத்து தலைமையேற்ற மாண்புமிகு நீதியரசர் அப்துல் குத்தூஸ் அவர்களுக்கு எங்களது அட்வொகேட் வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு ஆரம்பம் முதலே எங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்து வந்த தமிழ்நாடு பார் கவுன்சில் மெம்பர் திரு தாளைமுத்தரசு அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களது அட்வொகேட் வெல்ஃபேர் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு எங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்து வரும் நமது சங்கத்தின் தலைவர் திரு ஸ்ரீனிவாச ராகவன் மற்றும் அதன் செயலாளர் KP நாராயணகுமார் அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களது கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் கலந்து கொண்டுள்ள மூத்த வழக்கறிஞர் கிருஷ்ணவேணி அவர்களுக்கு எங்களது கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். எங்களது அட்வொகேட் வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப்பின் உறுப்பினர்கள் மற்றும் கோஆர்டினேட்டர் சிலம்பரசன் அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களது கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மேலும் இந்நிகழ்ச்சியை தொகுத்து வழங்கி கொண்டிருக்கிற செல்வி ஜானகி அவர்களுக்கும் அட்வொகேட் வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். குறிப்பிட்ட உடனே அனைத்து வேலைகளையும் சிறப்பாக செய்து கொடுக்கும் எங்கள் MMBN அலுவலரான சேகர், திருப்பதி, காளி மற்றும் விஜய் அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களது வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மேலும் வீடியோகிராஃபர் திரு ஜான் அவர்களுக்கும் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் திரு தன்ராஜ் மற்றும் எங்கள் சிவானி அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களது வெல்ஃபேர் கிளப்பின் சார்பாக நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Nandri Ayya. May I now request everyone to rise for national anthem.